Hello again. Today we're back. Again, don't know what we're going to film. Let's see. Today we're going to try the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. Now I know I've seen on YouTube that the foundation of this is very full coverage, but good. So I have high hopes for this. Let's just go ahead and read a little bit about the information on this. So on Ulta's website, it is $6.99. Online pros only $9.99 in the store. So very affordable. Looks like there's a ton of shades. So that's good. Summary. Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer is a super pigmented, full coverage formula. Blends seamlessly to mask imperfections, hyperpigmentation, discoloration. Details. Full coverage concealer. Blends seamlessly. Designed for 12-hour crease-free, water-resistant wear. This stuff is strong, honey. Antioxidant-rich formula helps protect skin from environmental damage. Yeah, right. Key ingredients. Features hyaluronic acid. We love that. Moisture magnet that holds 1,000 times its weight in water. Shea butter and olive fruit oil moisturize and condition skin while protecting its moisture barrier. Polyphenols, cocoa peptides help protect skin. Formulated without parabens. A lot of big words there. How to use. Apply a small amount using the Precision Doe Foot Applicator and blend to a crease-free finish. And that's it. Cool. So this is what the packaging looks like. I like it with the black and the gold. I got shade 135, medium beige, I believe. We'll see if that's a good shade match. This is what the doe foot looks like. So this is similar to the, let's see, I have it right here. Similar to the Maybelline Superstay Concealer doe foot. I'll show you. They're very similar. This one's a little bit thicker, it looks like. I did like that tip, so that was exciting. Let's see, let's swatch the color. Color seems to be pretty good. This seems freaking opaque. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a very light hand at first to see because this seems crazy. Okay, so we're just gonna dot it like we usually do. We're gonna do 2 dots instead of 3. And we're gonna blend. Okay, I'm having a hard time blending this. First of all, it looks a little light for me. So I might go a shade up, but I'm having kind of a hard time blending this. I don't know if you can see, but it wants to collect here in this inner corner. And as far as it being, it's super opaque, but I feel like it's not covering the dark circles as much as I want. So let me try to add just a tiny bit more, which scares me a little bit, but I dragged it all the way down here to blend it a little bit better. But let's just add just a little bit more in that inner corner. That's where it's collecting though, so this makes me a little bit nervous. And we're just gonna go ahead and press it right there and see if we can build it up just a little bit. See, now it's looking just a little bit cakey with that. So I don't know if I'm vibing. So I feel like it covered a little bit better, but now I feel like it's, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's looking like a little cake city. It looks okay. I'm not like blown away again. I mean, the Morphe 2 concealer that I really like literally you put it on, it blends out like a dream. Like that is my kind of staple where I'm holding my standards to is the Morphe 2 concealer, and that's really my favorite. So let's just cover this little imperfection here and see if we can blend this out. Yeah, I would definitely need to go a shade up if I did like this concealer. I don't know if it did much, like a little bit. Okay, let's conceal the rest of the face, the blemishes. I feel like it concealed my blemishes pretty well. Let's see if we can build it up just a little bit here. Just a tiny little bit more. Okay, we're gonna do the other side and cover this little blemish, and we'll be back with the full-blown look. I think I got to my eye. I'm gonna go blind. Okay, this is the final look. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. It's like very thick but it doesn't cover well. It's hard to work with. I was really struggling to get it to blend out. And then even after all the blending, I'm crying. I got it like, I was working so hard to get it like up against the lash line, and now my eyes are watering. I just feel like it doesn't cover it. Like right here on my nose, it's like kind of flaking a little bit. I'm just not into this at all. Like I'm not even gonna come back for a second review because this is just a no for me. So Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer, I had high hopes for you because everybody raves about the foundation, but this is a pass for me. I don't even know who I would recommend this to. Yeah, I'm just not into it. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this review. I'm sorry it was a dud. I had high hopes for it. Maybe the next one will have better luck. If you need any help in the Denver metro area or Colorado with real estate, I can help you with apartment leasing. I can help you with buying. I can help you with selling. All of my contact information will be down below. Feel free to reach out, and thank you again so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.